Hello student, now we'll see some question related to the multiplication. You will see this, it is given AB equal to BA. Then you prove that A minus B whole square equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. How can you prove this? You will see. So left hand side equal to A minus B whole square will be A minus B and A minus B. Then A is multiplied to A square. A is multiplied to B, minus AB. B is multiplied to A, minus BA, or minus plus B square. B into B, according to the power of matrix, you can write B square. A square minus AB or minus AB, because it is given here AB equal to BA, it will follow the commutative law. Here, only here it is given, plus B square. So A square minus 2AB plus B square. Now it is proved. You will care it. So some more question you will see. So in this way you will try to solve the question. Which question is not clear, you can ask. Now it is given here, question number 33 of this book. A equal to 2, 3, minus 1, 2. And polynomial of variable x equal to given x square minus 4x plus 7. Find the f of A, polynomial of matrix A square minus 4 of matrix A plus 7 into identity of second order. What will be this? This will be 2, 3, minus 1, 2, 2, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 4, 2, 3, minus 1, 2, plus 7 into identity 1, 0, 0, 1. Then you can solve this question. What will be this value? F of A, F of matrix 2 into 2, 4, or 4 minus 3, 1. 2 into 3, 6, or plus 6, 12. Minus 2, or by this minus 2, minus 4. Minus 3 plus 4, this will be 1. There will be, you will take inside this value minus 8, minus 12, 4 and minus 8. Then it will be 7, 0, 0, 7. You can write this. So this will be minus 7 plus 7, 0. 12 minus 12, 0. Minus 4 plus 4, 0 plus 0, 0. 1 minus 8 up plus 7, it will be 0. Then you are getting it, that will be null matrix. It is clear? This is the null matrix. Okay, I suppose it is clear to you. Here it is given, by help of this question, you will find A cube and A raised to power 5. So what you have proved here? You have proved A square minus 4A plus 7 identity equal to 0. You have proved. Now find the A cube. So A is multiplied on both sides. तो a into a square minus 4a into a plus 7a into identity equal to a into null matrix. A is multiplied on both sides. A cube minus 4a square or plus 7a equal to 0. By help of this, you can get a cube equal to 4a square minus 7a, or a square value I have written there. Previously I have written, you will substitute here value of a square by help of the previous step, and value of a you will put here, you will simplify, then you can get a cube. This is clear? Okay. Suppose you have got this value, then how can you get a raised to power 5? A raised to power 5, how can you get? A raised to power 3 you have got here. So a square is multiplied on both sides. इसमें a square multiply कर दे. A square is multiplied on both sides. So what you will get? Because already you know the a value of a square. So a cube, a square into a cube equal to 4 a square into a square minus 7 a square into a. A square is multiplied on both sides. It will become a raised to power 5. 4a raised to power 4. How can you get? You will take the multiplication of a square into a. Already we have got this value. Or here you write the minus 7a cube. A cube you have got here. You will put here. A raised to power 4. How can you get? By help of the a square into a square into a square. Already we have got the a square. Then you can get the value of a raised to power 5 by substituting the value of a raised to power 4 and by substituting value of a raised to power 3. This is clear? I have not done the solution. You will complete it. I have given the concept of this. So, now you will see the question number 34. How can you do this question, this type of question? Here a is given 1 1 1 1, or a raised to power n is given 2 raised to power n minus 1, 2 raised to power n minus 1, 2 raised to power n minus 1, 2 raised to power n minus 1. By help of the mathematical induction, we will do this. For n equal to 1, a equal to 2 raised to power 0, 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 then it will become 1 1 1 1. Then this is the, suppose we are taken the mathematical action, Pn is a statement, n equal to 1, then statement Pn is true. So it is true. Implies that it is true. Because it is given a equal to 1 or true. Okay. What we will do? We will assume that AK is true. Assume that a raised to power k is true for n equal to k. What do you write? 2 raised to power k minus 1, 2 raised to power k minus 1, 2 raised to power k minus 1, and 2 raised to power k minus 1. Now what we will do? We will prove that Now for n equal to k plus 1 हम लेंगे, विल प्रूव फॉर, तो स्टेटमेंट in the previous concept you see pk plus 1 means the statement will prove that it is true for n equal to k plus 1. So implies that we write a raised to power k plus 1 or that will be equal to 2 raised to power k plus 1 minus 1, 2 raised to power k, 2 raised to power k, 2 raised to power k and 2 raised to power k. Means we will prove that this will be equal to this. So you will see here, what will be value of, then we can write this will be implying that a equal to a into a raised to power k. What will be value of this? 1 1 1 1, or then it will be 2 raised to power k minus 1, 2 raised to power k minus 1, 2 raised to power k minus 1, 2 raised to power k minus 1. Now you will multiply. See, if this multiplication will come equal to this, then a raised to power k plus 1 is also true. So this will be this 2 raised to power k minus 1 plus 2 raised to power k minus 1, you will get 2 into 2 raised to power k minus 1. Then this will multiply, you will get 2 into 2 raised to power k minus 1, 2 into 2 raised to power k minus 1, 2 into 2 raised to power k minus 1. It will become 2 raised to power 1 of k minus 1, 2 raised to power k. So 2 raised to power k, 2 raised to power k, 2 raised to power k, 2 raised to power k. So what you are getting here, just I have written here this value, then we write imply that a raised to power k plus 1 is also true. Hence by mathematical induction, a raised to power n is true for n belongs to integer. Is it clear? So in this way you can solve the question. Okay, hence by mathematical induction a raised to power n is true for n belongs to positive integer. Clear? N belongs to positive integer 1 2 3 4. It is clear? So you can solve this type of question by help of the mathematical induction. Now you will see question number 37. This type of question you will see 2 minus 1 1 0 minus 3 4. A, this will be minus 1 minus 8 1 minus 2 9 22. This type of question you have done in the class 10, but there was the order was the second order or the 2 cross 1 or 1 cross 2. Order of this will be m cross n, order of this will be n cross l, order of this will be m cross l according to the multiplication rules. Here this will be 3 cross 2. Here this will be, you don't know what will be order of this, 3 cross 2. So what will be order of this? Value of m 3, value of n 2, a value of l 2. कंपेयर दिस, L की वैल्यू यहां से क्या आ रही है 2, N की वैल्यू क्या आ रही है 2, तो 2 क्रॉस 2 ऑर्डर मैट्रिक्स विल टेक। तो ऑर्डर ऑफ मैट्रिक्स A इक्वल टू 2 क्रॉस 2, और then matrix A you will suppose A, B, C, D. Clear? Then you will write here matrix A, B, C, D. Or this matrix is given. What is this order? 3 cross 2, 2 cross 2. So order of resultant matrix will be 3 cross 2. Now multiply this. 2A minus C. Here 2B minus D. Then here A, and the 1 is multiplied to A and 0 is multiplied to 0 or C, 0. Then it will be B, or 0 is multiplied with D, 0. You write the B. Minus 3A plus 4C minus 3B plus 4D. Then it will be minus 1, 8, 1 minus 2, 9, 22. So compare on both sides. A equal to 1, B equal to minus 2. It is clear? So 2A minus C equal to minus 1. Then you will find the value of C. 2A minus plus 1 equal to C. Or what is value of A? 2 into 1, 2 plus 1. 2 into 1 plus 1 equal to C. C equal to 3. We have got. Then value of this B equal to 2. You compare this and this. 2B minus D equal to 8. So 2B minus 8 equal to D, or 2 into minus 2 minus 8 equal to D, or D equal to minus 4 minus 8, then it will be minus 12. Is it clear? You have got the matrix A. Matrix A will be okay. A will be 1, B will be minus 2, C will be 3, or D will be minus 12. This will be result of this. Okay, I am going to rub this. In this way, you will try to solve this exercise. I am going to explain about the transpose of the matrix. Any matrix A is given, Aij. One is less or equal to I less or equal to n. Order of this is the square matrix. For transpose not necessary square, but this will be, you suppose this is a matrix A of order m cross n. Clear? Then A transpose will be, what will be happen? Row will be changed in the column and column will be changed in the row. It is clear? Order of this matrix will become n cross m. Okay? The transpose of matrix, this order will be n cross m, or this will be B, J, I. This implies that aij equal to bji. Now see another way. This is the 1 2 minus 3 4 5 7. This matrix is given. What will be order of this? 3 cross 2. So transpose of A, row will be changed in the column. In the transpose, what will be happen? Row will be changed in the column. So 1 2 minus 3 4 5 7. So first row, first column, second row, second column, third row, third column. I have told aij equal to bji. यहाँ पे देखो, it is the element of the first row and second column, और this is the element of the, मतलब दोनों आपस में चेंज कर जाएंगे, B21, तो A12 इक्वल टू B21, वो हमने यहाँ पे लिखा. इज इट क्लियर? यस. अब यहाँ पे एलिमेंट देखो, ये कौन सा हो गया? सेकेंड रो सेकेंड कॉलम, A22, तो B22 के बराबर होगा सेकेंड रो सेकेंड कॉलम. नाउ दिस विल बी एलिमेंट ऑफ द थर्ड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम, देन it will be equal to B13. 13 means 5. This is the B13. The A31 equal to B13. Now, it is easiest way. How can we remember? Row will be changed in the column and column will be changed in the row. If order of matrix is given 3 cross 2, so order of its transpose will be 2 cross 3. It is very easy to remember. Property of transpose. Property of transpose is given. Property of transpose. पहला क्या है? कोई मैट्रिक्स दिया है. It is transposed on times. Any matrix is given. It is transposed on time. Again, you are transposing this. It will be equal to A. कोई मैट्रिक्स दिया है, मान लो 2 क्रॉस 3 का, ट्रांसपोज करेंगे क्या आएगा? 3 क्रॉस 2, फिर ट्रांसपोज करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 2 क्रॉस 3. क्लियर? सेकेंड, this derivation are not giving. Ka, transpose of the K is a scalar, it is multiplied with the matrix A. You are taking transpose of this, then we can write this K into transpose of A. Third, negative, you are taking the transpose of a negative matrix, then it will be equal to minus transpose of the matrix A. This is clear? Fourth, A plus B, transpose of A plus B equal to transpose of A plus transpose of B. This property should be clear to you. Fifth, A into B, it is given, multiplication is given, or you are taking transpose of this, then this will be equal to transpose of matrix B into transpose of matrix A. Or here it will be plus minus, then here it will be plus minus. On the both it will be applicable. Now it is clear. This is the property of transpose of a matrix. Clear? Okay, we'll see some more question related to this. एक दो क्वेश्चन और बता दें. Then next day I will explain symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. दूसरे और बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. जैसे फर्स्ट दिया A, 3 इसमें मल्टीप्लाई किए, फिर उसको ट्रांसपोज करेंगे. क्लियर? सो